Hello, my name is Jackie Cunningham. I will be discussing transformative and servant leadership styles. I will first help you understand each style. Then I will compare and contrast the two styles. Finally, I will explain a practical application for each in the field of school counseling. There are four behavioral components of transformative leadership: individual consideration, intellectual stimulation, inspirational motivation, and idealized influence. Individual consideration shows how a transformative leader is both a coach and a mentor to their followers. They work to help their followers understand the tasks ahead of them. The transformational leader is also an effective listener. Differences are also accepted within this transformational leadership. Transformative leaders delegate tasks to develop leaders. Those tasks are then monitored without feeling monitored. Intellectual stimulation encourages innovation and creativity through strategies such as reframing problems. This strategy approaches old problems in new ways. The transformative leader asks the followers for ideas and includes them in finding the solutions. When mistakes are made during the work process, they are not criticized publicly. Inspirational motivation demonstrates how transformational leaders inspire those around them by providing meaning to the followers' work and showing optimism. Transformational leaders clearly communicate their expectations and show commitment to the goal. They also share the vision for the future. Idealized influence shows how transformational leaders serve as role models. The followers identify with and want to be like their leaders. The followers see the persistence in the leader. Transformational leaders take risks and are consistent. Transformational leaders show high moral and ethical standards. Servant leaders serve the followers of the organization. Through leadership, they serve, and through service, they lead. Servant leaders are accepting of the followers in their organization and work to show them this. Empathy is also an important part of being a servant leader. They are able to recognize the situations and feelings of their followers and be understanding of those feelings. Foresight is something servant leaders show in their work. They have the ability to look at the problem and see where leaders need to be effective. They can focus on the present but see the smaller piece of the larger organization. Servant leaders are also able to persuade their followers, not coerce them, to understanding and accepting the ideas of the leader. Servant leaders develop their ideas and effectively communicate them to their followers. This inspires the followers to support the ideas. Now I will compare and contrast the concepts of transformational and servant leaders. Both of these leadership styles work towards development of the followers. The leaders work with their followers to help them become better workers and parts of the organization. Both transformational and servant leadership styles offer support and consider the individual. Transformational leaders work as a coach or mentor in this capacity, while servant leaders work to serve their followers. Both styles, however, are supportive and helpful to develop their followers. Servant leadership focuses more on followers and their needs. These leaders work to ensure they are supporting and helping their followers. In contrast, transformative leaders focus on the organization objectives and the performance for the organization. In the world of school counseling, both types of leadership are able to be used. Transformational leadership would work when sharing the mission for the district and counseling department. A transformational leader will encourage and inspire teachers to work towards the mission and goals set before them. This can be done by being a coach for counseling concepts such as mindfulness. For servant leadership, counselors can work with the teachers individually. This can be done by working to ensure they are their best for the students. Servant leaders can work to ensure teachers are not becoming burned out or overwhelmed. The following resources were used to make this presentation. Thank you and have a great day.